Hey guys, we received this King Lucky upgrade karaoke machine for kids and adults for test and try. So this one is actually better from the previous one because this is bigger, louder, and better than the previous one because the previous one is actually smaller and this one is bigger with a bigger sound. So let me just open the box and show you what's inside. So this is actually karaoke machine with a Bluetooth speaker and two mic that you can use easily. And this one, I can clearly see the bigger sizes for the mic, and the mic also is a really nice quality, especially on the top with the metal. And then also the size for the speaker is bigger than the previous one. So let me just take out all this packing stuff and show you. So this one you can see is a much bigger size than the previous one. I will say 50 to 60% bigger. And then it have more fun because it's more louder. And here, you can charge this with this USB-C cable. So the cable comes with it. You can charge all your mic as well as the speaker along with this. So there is a small handle as well, so you can carry this. So I open and have this LED light, the blinking LED light. The mic also have this LED light thing, and it's easy to connect. Just to press the mic button and it's get connected. It's a nice chip with a 3D surround, so it's have a echo while doing that. And it's a nice bass thing as well. From the side, you can see the shiny LED
This mic
lights,
is
very
good,
nice shiny surface,
better than
and
the previous model,
it's a nice mic thing as well, as you can see
where
out
you are
here.
getting the bigger size and the
So
bigger
five
size
fun
of the
video
mic.
effects, and because it's like a voice changer that you can use, and you can sing in a different styles as well. Charging is pretty easy. You can also control the lights and colorful LED lights also enhance your experience. So you can also connect this Bluetooth with the mobile or any PC. So you can also use it as a Bluetooth speaker. So I'm just connecting and the sound quality is good. I'm just using royalty-free music just to test this speaker so that it will be pretty easy and nice. So this is pretty nice, and I can easily feel, the sound quality is much better than the previous version. And this is the updated version with a louder sound quality as well as the bigger size, and then a USB TF card and other attachments as well. So it have a better, the connectivity, better sound, better music, better size. So this is a much better thing from the previous one, but both are like good at their own pace and they have a good playtime as well and have a nice feature. You can see like all the different type of lights and the functions. So it's pretty nice, I will say. And this one is really nice in my test of the music based on kids karaoke machine. This one is a really nice sound quality thing.